She is washing the dishes. She is drying the dishes. She is squeezing orange juice. She is walking the dog. She is feeding the cat. She is cooking dinner. He is watering the plants. He is vacuuming the carpet. He is fixing the door. She is making the bed. She is hanging the clothes out. She is cleaning the windows. He is raking leaves. They are washing the car. She is brewing coffee. She is pouring orange juice into the glass. He is tidying up the room. She is doing the laundry. I am baking cookies. She is mopping the floor. He is dusting the furniture. She is ironing the clothes. My sister is taking out the trash. She is sorting the recycling. She is chopping vegetables for the salad. My sister is folding the laundry. They are loading the dishwasher. I am weeding the garden. He is removing the cobwebs. She is cleaning the table. My sister is sewing a button on the shirt. I am changing the pillowcase. She is laying out clothes for tomorrow. He is scrubbing the bathtub. He is changing the bedsheet. They are fixing the leaky faucet. They are decorating the living room. He is polishing the furniture. He is changing the light bulbs. Hina is sweeping the porch. He is pruning the bushes. She is blending a smoothie. I am wiping the mirrors. She is sorting the laundry.